In today's video, we are going to discuss important economics questions which are very useful for all competitive exams. To get these important updates, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Today's first question. In the recent rail fare hike effected by the Union government, what was the amount of hike in percentage terms? 14.2%. Electricity, gas and water supply comes under which sector? Secondary sector. The tenure of long-term loans in a bank is generally for how many years? Above 3 years. Who are the main barriers of the burden of the indirect tax? Consumers. An increase of 1% per annum in the rate of growth of the money supply will increase inflation in the long term by 1%. The goods which people consume more when their price rises are called giffen goods. The person who invests large amounts in stock, property or other ventures taking risk in the hope of gain is speculator. In product life cycle, the cost of one unit is generally high in which stage? Introductory. Which bank finances exports and imports? Exim Bank. Economic planning in India is in concurrent list. Which unemployment is the result of depression in an economy? Cyclical unemployment. If cash reserve ratio decreases, credit creation will increase. Monopoly means single seller. India paper currency started in 1861. Who has written the book Capital and Growth? Hicks. According to the classical system, savings is a function of income. Banks in India were nationalized for the first time in the year 1969. Debenture holder of a company is its creditors. The bank checks are processed by using MICR. Excise duty is levied on production of goods. Depreciation is loss in value of machinery. Fishing comes under which sector of economic activity? Primary sector. Dash unemployment happens when people are not able to find jobs during some months of the year. Seasonal. Microeconomics is also called profit theory. What does the Lorenz curve deal with? Income distribution. The Consumer Price Index is published by Central Statistics Office. Lowering of value of currency relative to a foreign reference currency is called devaluation. A taxation is a tool of fiscal policy. World's first green Islamic bond was issued by which country? Malaysia. Which body finances the micro, small and medium scale enterprises in India? SIDBI. What does R stands for in Mudra Bank? Refinance. What was the main aim of first 5-year plan? Agricultural growth. A dash deficit is financed by net capital flows from the rest of the world, thus by a capital account surplus. Current account. A certain percentage of bank's deposits is kept in the form of cash with the Reserve Bank of India. This is referred to CRR. The short-run marginal cost curve is dash-shaped. U. What is the highest percentage slab for GST in India? 28%. Money market is a market for short-term fund. When the money supply rises, then liquidity money curve shifts to the right. Disguised unemployment in India is mainly related to agricultural sector. Perfectly inelastic demand is equal to 0. Which plan enforced removal of poverty for the first time? Fourth. The demand for an interior good decreases with a dash in the consumer's income. Increase. What does individual vulnerability refer to in economics? The threat of poverty. Which institution is responsible for calculating the GDP of India? Central Statistics Office. Dave Committee is associated with mutual funds. The factor that least influences exchange rate fluctuations. Investor sentiments. What is GST? An indirect tax. Which body is the regulator of the commodity market in India? Forward Markets Commission. Railway budget is merged with Union Budget of India from which year? 2017. Last question of the day. What is the present GST rate on movie tickets of cost less than or equal to rupees 100? 12%. We will be back with more important videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Thank you.